projects. Pero as far as I know po kasi, every project po has been coordinated po sa mga local government units kasi sumusulat po sila para makapag-construct po yung bawat implementing offices natin. The problem is, siguro po nagkaroon ng lapses yung mga implementing offices namin kasi may mga projects, as far as I know, na hindi pa nabigyan ng clearance pero nakapagpatuloy. So, I think yun po yung naging problema po nung coordination po in between na agencies po.
Mr. Chair, sorry, kasi in Quezon City, it was mentioned by our good mayor na DPWH have 141 flood control projects na hindi kino-coordinate ng DPWH sa LGU ng Quezon City. And can you find out, can you verify kung talagang hindi kayo nakapag-coordinate? Kasi importante na may proper coordination with LGU. Hindi mo kayo pwedeng gumalaw-galaw doon nang hindi kayo nagko-coordinate sa LGU. Tama ba ako?
Exactly po, Your Honor. Actually, I think it was two Sundays ago, nagkaroon din po kami ng meeting ni Mayor Joy regarding dun po sa may isa naming pumping station. And ang kabilin-bilinan niya nga po is magkaroon din po kami ng coordination at least man lang dun sa City Engineering Office para mas mapabilis po yung processes ng pag-approve ng mga permits. And in fact po, during one of the interviews na tinanong po ako ng interviewer, ang isa po sa tinanong is talaga bang kailangan yung pakikipag-coordinate? And ang sinagot ko po talaga, actually kailangan po yun para po mas maging maganda at smooth sailing po yung implementation ng mga projects natin. So there might be lapses po in the previous times po, pero again po, since nung pagdating po namin, we make it sure po na lahat po talaga is i-coordinate po talaga namin. In fact,